The sound of atoms holding themselves together to create physicality. Now hear me out. So when I meditate, or when I'm alone somewhere, when it's really silent, there's like a little sound. I think some would say it's a ringing in your ears, but it's like underneath everything. And I could accept I have a ringing in my ears. Why not? Or I have wax stuffed up, or it's the electricity running through the house, although sometimes it's not a very electrical space. But what if it's actually all those infinite amount of atoms and the energy, the sound of the energy that's keeping them together to create me, to create that rectangle and that rectangle behind me. Just like it's something holding, it's the sound of the atoms holding themselves together to create mass. I don't know, tell me what you think. Do you think it's possible? Or not? Let me know. Leave a comment. Have a discussion. Let me be privy.